When I tried to make my way back to England, I realized that I didn't have a British passport. I didn't have any documents that suggested that I could easily get back to England, and the embassy made it tough. So I decided to forget about traveling back to England and make the most of the life I now have. Yes, it's true, I could have become a professional footballer. What actually happened was, in one of the games against Barnet, a very good side, I believe it was one of my best games, although we lost. The coach of the team, Barnet, really saw that I was a tough player. I was talented, I was skilled, I was well structured. I knew how to follow orders, and I was not afraid to give strong tackles and to take strong tackles. So he approached me after the game, outside the changing rooms, and asked me if I wouldn't mind signing on for his team. I told my coach Barry Pond about it, and he didn't have a problem. He wanted me to stay on for just one more season with London Colney and then move to Barnet, because he saw that it was an opportunity for me to play for a division or a team whose first team is in the 4th division of the English League. And that will open many doors. When I broke the news to my mom, she was excited about it. She only insisted that I take my education seriously still. When I broke it to my father, he just wrote it off that no, he cannot drive me all the way to Barnet for training. He can't do that. So he was not willing to pay that price for me to move to the next level. And a year after that, we came for a trip. My dad and I came for a trip in Ghana, and it turned out that he was going to leave me here. When I tried to make my way back to England, I realized that I didn't have a British passport. I didn't have any documents that suggested that I could easily get back to England, and the embassy made it tough. So I decided to forget about traveling back to England and make the most of the life I now have. Because you can't cry over spilt milk. And that is an advice I give to anybody. No matter who did you wrong, life goes on. There's no need crying over spilt milk.